Hey guys, Joseph here. It's finally here, the first dashcam that offers 4K at 60 frames per second. Today we're here to check out the latest from VIOFO with their new A329 series. They've managed to squeeze Sony STARVIS 2, Wi-Fi 6, SSD storage support, and even more features all into one dashcam. So we're gonna cover it all in today's What's New video. But before we begin, we wanted to give a special shout out to Ariel from Vortex Radar for supplying us with some great dashcam footage for the A329. We had a string of bad luck gathering footage with the atmospheric river and bad weather here in Vancouver. So thank you, Ariel, you're a lifesaver. Let's start off with what's inside the box. It's pretty standard stuff for VIOFO, which includes the A329 front dashcam, the main unit. It's slightly heavier compared to previous models, giving it a more solid build. The rear cam, which is in the same shape as the RTC 300 telephoto cam, but it's not the same thing. It's the same housing though. If you purchase the 2-channel variant, you're gonna get this. The A329 comes in both a 1-channel and 2-channel variant. There is no 3-channel option. The rear camera cable, if you purchase the 2-channel variant, you're gonna receive this. Car charger with 2 Type-C ports. One port is for charging your dashcam, and the other can be used for charging other devices, such as your phone in the car. A Type-C data cable, allowing you to transfer data quickly to your computer, or for the first time ever, your USB 3.0 equipped smartphone. You can also use this to plug your dashcam into the TV for playing footage on the big screen, as it supports HDMI 4K video output. Some spare adhesive sticky pads, a CPL filter only for the front cam. There is a separate rear camera CPL option available though. Windshield static stickers, a trim removal tool, and a user manual. Similar to previous VIOFO dashcams, this version does not include an SD card by default. This is an additional item that you're gonna need to purchase. And if you want to hardwire install your A329 to unlock parking mode, you're gonna need to buy the hardwiring kit. Look for the HK4 USB-C hardwiring cable, which is going to be the same one used for the A229 Plus and Pro. So if you're upgrading from those models, you're just going to need to swap out the dashcams. However, do note that VIOFO has gone with a rear coaxial cable for the A329, rather than USB-C cables as found on the A229 Plus and Pro. The A329 series brings some exciting upgrades to the table. First, you're going to have your 4K front cam, meaning you're going to get incredibly sharp and smooth footage. VIOFO always delivers on video quality, and this time they've brought 60 frames per second to the table, so this is definitely something to check out. But is 60 frames per second something you need in a dashcam? You be the judge. The higher frame rate of 60 frames per second provides ultra smooth video playback, making it easier to capture fast-moving scenes without any motion blur. It's particularly useful for recording high-speed drives or sudden events. But if you don't drive on the highway that often, I think this is definitely one of the more nice-to-have features. Alternatively, you can adjust your dashcam to record at 4K in 30 frames per second, and this would unlock high dynamic range, HDR. HDR captures more footage in both bright and dark areas, ensuring you can see more important details like license plates, road signs, and even more challenging lighting conditions. Recording at 30 frames per second also helps save storage space while still delivering smooth videos. We'll have some comparisons between 4K at 60 frames per second versus 4K at 30 frames per second with HDR on. That's something we'll share in the future. HDR tech works by combining multiple exposures to create a single, well-balanced image. This is particularly useful for capturing details in high contrast situations, such as driving in the sun or through tunnels. Lastly, there's the Sony STARVIS 2 sensor, known for its excellent low-light performance. At this point, this sensor isn't anything new because there are a ton of dashcams in the market that already feature the Sony STARVIS 2 sensor, like the ThinkWare U3000 and Blackview DR970X Plus, but it's always nice to see this in a dashcam. And to mention the 2-channel version, the rear cam is also STARVIS 2, but it doesn't have 60 frames per second. It does record at 2K at 30 frames per second though. So altogether, the fact that VIOFO has been able to pack a Sony STARVIS 2 IMX678 8-megapixel image sensor in the front cam and the Sony STARVIS 2 IMX675 5-pixel image sensor in the rear means it's a fantastic combination for some really great video footage. Not only that, VIOFO also includes the circular polarizing lens CPL filter just for the front cam. What it does is it reduces reflections and glare off the glass and road surfaces, enhancing your image clarity and contrast just a bit more. They only include the front one though, but there is a rear version available, but that option is optional. The A329 is the first model to feature Wi-Fi 6, which means you can enjoy faster and more stable connections when transferring footage to your phone or other devices. Speeds hitting up to 30 megabits per second, so you can download a 1-minute 4K video in under 10 seconds. That makes it super convenient to review and share your clips without the hassle of waiting around. Plus, Wi-Fi 6 enhances your overall connectivity experience by reducing lag and boosting the range of the wireless signal. So whether you're in a busy area or just moving about, you'll enjoy a more seamless connection. If you prefer, you can also connect your smartphone directly to the dashcam using a USB 3.0 data cable. This setup allows for download speeds up to 55 megabits per second on devices like the iPhone 15 Pro Max, and it's great for doing firmware updates too. Using the cable is a lot faster than relying on Wi-Fi, which is crucial when you're working with larger 4K files. Not only that, you can use that USB data cable to connect your A329 directly to your TV with HDMI 4K output, so you can view your footage on your glorious large screen TV. Speaking of file sizes, obviously the higher the resolution, the larger the file sizes are going to be. So something I'd like to cover is the new SSD storage options. This is probably one of the first couple of dashcams that actually support external SSDs. Customers ask about this a lot because most dashcams support a maximum SD card storage size of about 128 gigs to 256 gigs. In more recent times with models from Blackview and VIOFO, we're starting to see support up to 512 gigs. But even at 512 gigs of storage space at a 2-channel recording, you're looking at about 5 to 6 days of footage before loop recording kicks in and your old footage starts getting overwritten. With its new SSD storage option, the A329 supports up to 4 terabytes of external SSD storage, which means you get up to 46 days of storage before your older footage starts getting overwritten. You can also connect other external storage options like an SSD, PSSD, or a USB 3.0 flash disk too. SSDs are known for their durability and speed, making them an excellent pairing for high-performance dashcams. This is particularly useful if you don't drive that often, or you're planning a long road trip for this holiday, or just want to keep extensive video records. Just great options all around. The smart voice control feature allows you to stay focused on driving with simple spoken commands. You can start and stop recording, take photos, and turn on and off Wi-Fi with ease. The camera also provides clear notifications for setting changes or memory card errors. Voice control supports multiple languages, making it accessible to a wider range of users. This feature also enhances safety by allowing hands-free operation of the dashcam. The ultra-precise GPS module supports 4 global navigation satellite systems: GPS, BeiDou, Galileo, and GLONASS, providing detailed location, speed, and time data of the vehicle when playing back video on the VIOFO app or upcoming PC player. This feature isn't particularly new, but it's always useful for reviewing your trips, especially for providing evidence in case of an accident, or simply keeping track of your driving routes. The A329 doesn't include the HK4 hardwiring kit in the package, so for those who want to maximize their safety, we recommend picking this up and hardwiring it to unlock advanced parking mode. Now, this parking mode uses motion detection and impact detection to monitor your vehicle when you're not around, specifically when your car ignition is off. If any movement or impact is detected, the parking mode detection is buffered, meaning the camera will automatically provide you with the footage starting from 15 seconds before the event and continuing for 30 seconds after the event. This provides a complete record of the incident. This feature is especially useful in hit-and-run situations, where having a full picture of what happened is crucial. So that's the new VIOFO A329 series. It features a 4K front cam, 2K rear cam, Sony STARVIS 2 sensor, Wi-Fi 6 support, SSD storage support, and more advanced safety features. It's got everything you need for a reliable and high-quality dashcam experience. Now, to close things off, as we head into Black Friday season, be sure to check out our BlackboxMyCar rewards program that's free to join, featuring plenty of free gifts and rewards that you can earn right away, even up to 10% off your next purchase. We've been adding many new products that you can redeem today to make your dashcam and car experience even better. Last year, we started with the Aqua Shield to help clear the view of dashcams from rain and debris, followed by edge sight mirrors to cover blind spots and a pencil tire gauge. Just recently, we've launched a 4-in-1 wireless mount for your phone, a 21-in-1 precision screwdriver, a 3-piece outdoor multi-tool set, star tags and cards, and the Power Mini 10,000, a portable universal battery. These goodies can be claimed in our BlackboxMyCar rewards program for free, our way of giving it back to you. But not only that, we just launched our Spend More, Get More program, where the more you spend, the more you get. We're offering free shipping on all orders over $150 on the BlackboxMyCar website. Now, when you spend over $450, you get a free Aqua Shield. Over $750, a free BlackboxMyCar wireless mount, and lastly, when you spend over $1,050, you're getting a free BlackboxMyCar outdoor multi-tool set. Unlocking a new tier will include all the rewards from the previous tiers too. So the more you spend, the more you'll get. These gifts are available for a limited time. Need help from our professional installers? Our team at BlackboxMyCar will be happy to help. If you're in the Vancouver, BC area, give us a call to schedule an appointment. Mention this YouTube video and we'll give you 25% off your next installation. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this useful, please support us by hitting that like and subscribe button for more updates on the latest dash cams. We have more videos planned for the rest of the year, so stay tuned and stay safe on the road. See you in the next one.